I'm here for the continuation of discussion of Mr. Halandon. I will discuss on how to write an analytical report. An analytical report can be written using a spreadsheet, white paper, or simple Word file. But using these traditional means of writing, a successful report can be time-consuming. Information can be structured in a vast number of spreadsheets, and the final result can be more confusing than productive. On the other hand, an online dashboard is a visual tool and can replace classic written business reports, as you can easily derive recommendation from it. Meaning, traditional writing is more time consuming, so instead of traditional writing, I recommend to create an online dashboard. Next. This is the formatting the report. Single analytical report structure includes a title page. A title page, this is the face of your work. An introduction. This is the real work starts. This will state the reason why you choosing the topic. Next is a methodology section. This will describe the method of your report. Next is the body section. This is report by itself. Next is the conclusion and the recommendations. This will explain the result of your work. Next, bibliography. This is the reference of your work. Last is the appendices section. This is an attachment to the materials you use. Next, gathering information. Writing analytical report goes beyond descriptive writing toward synthesis and critique. To achieve this end, begin by collecting data and gathering resources. The research progress should produce sufficient information that you feel comfortable with all aspects, the concept, the pros and counter arguments, and proposal. You must gathering data, collecting information for your report or work. Next is organizing and analyzing and synthesizing. After collecting the appropriate research, synthesize the information. Synthesis involves critiquing resources argument, validity or methodology based on your own research, and finding in an effort to present new information, draw conclusion or present findings. When you have data information, you should synthesize it by criticize the arguments based on what you have researched. Last is conclusions. Conclusions and recommendations. Once the data is collected, the information is processed, and conclusions have been drawn. The composition process begins, while the bulk of the report will present and analyze your findings. Most reports focus on one of three elements: conclusions, and arguments, logic, or recommendations. For this last, the information that has been collected, its composition has been processed, and most of reports focuses on one element. In this part, recommendations will present two. That's all. Thank you.